Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here, deleting a customer in QuickBooks should be approached with caution as it permanently removes the customer's information from your records. However, in my case, there are situations where deleting a customer is necessary or appropriate. Say for example, you accidentally create a duplicate customer entries. In QuickBooks, deleting one of the duplicates can help maintain clean and accurate customer records. This prevents confusion and ensures that transactions are properly associated with the correct customers. And obviously, customers who are no longer active or relevant to your business may be candidates for deletion. Deleting inactive customers declutters your customer list and makes it easier to manage and search for active customers. Over time, your QuickBooks file may accumulate unnecessary or outdated customer records that clutters your database. Now, for us to be able to delete that, all we have to do is go here at the left side panel of your dashboard, click on sales and click on customers, right? Now here, deleting a customer is a very straightforward and easy process. Just select the customer, or you can search the customer name here if you have multiple customers in your specific business. All right. Now, if a customer requests that their personal information be removed from your records, or if you are required to comply with a data privacy regulations, deleting the customer's record from QuickBooks helps protect their privacy and confidentiality. And from here, all you have to do is click on it, right? And click delete, right? Or click on make inactive, right? In that sense, if you click on the yes, make inactive, make sure that if a customer's business has closed down or undergone significant changes that make them no longer relevant to your business, making them active from QuickBooks reflect the current state of your customer base. All right. Now, in such cases that you are having problems deleting a customer here, or having a problems clicking on the yes, make inactive option, the next step that I wanted you to do is go to the QuickBooks support. And from here, just select the product that you are in. And from here, all you have to do is tell them your situation, that you are having a problem deleting a customer here or in QuickBooks. Or you can simply call the customer hotline from a 1-800-264-1981, and these are the available times that an agent would be happy to assist you regarding about deleting a customer in QuickBooks. And again, before deleting a customer in QuickBooks, it's important to consider the potential impact on your financial records and consult with accounting team or advisor. You may also want to archive or backup customer records before deletion to ensure that the data is preserved for references purposes. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.